Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy to learn. Today I am going to explain how to solve two missing value questions for interpolation. Suppose we have two missing value number in interpolation, how we have to solve that question. Now you can see that question we have, like here we have 1960 to 1990. And in production you have two missing number, like in 1975 we don't have any values and in 1985 we don't have any values. Now what we have to do, whatever question we have to write in column. Here we have year, we can write here, year here, and production we have to write here. Here we have 1960, 1965, 1970, 1975. Next one we have here 1980, as it is we have to write all the numbers like year 1960 to 1990. In production whatever values we have to write here, and two missing number we have. For 1975 we don't have any values and 1985 we don't have any values. Just we have to write this. After that what we have to do, first one we have to write here. We can write this one x and this one y, and here we wrote y, then we have to give this number, this one y0, next one y1. According to this we have to write up to 1990. Now you can check, first one y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6. We have to write this one like this. Then we can see here we have two missing values and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 known values. If we have 5 known values, that equation we have to write here like y minus 1 to the power 5. We have here 5 known values. For that we have to write that equation y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0. Now according to the Pascal's triangle we know that formula, and that Pascal's triangle formula you can check in my previous video. Also otherwise if you can't understand that one Pascal's triangle, you can check in my first interpolation questions, like one missing value question we have, that one you can check that video. Now for y minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to 0, that formula we have to write here. First one y5, next one minus 5y4, next one plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0 is equal to 0. For this equation we have to write this formula. To get this formula you can check my Pascal's triangle video. This one will give this equation, will give equation 1. Now what we have to do, we have two missing values. For that now only we have to change the subscript. Subscript means you can see here in this equation, this one 5, this one 4, this one 3, 2, 1, 0. This subscript we have to change. Here y5 we have, just add one number, like you can write here y6, then that minus we have to write here minus 5 y4, in the place of y4 you have to write here y5 plus 10 y4 minus 10 y3 plus 5 y2 minus y1 is equal to 0. This one you have to write here equation 2. First equation we have to write according to the Pascal's triangle. Then second equation, just only change that subscript. Whatever subscript you have, just add one number and write. Here we have y5, just write here y6. Here we have y4, write y5. Here we have y3, we have to write here y4, y2 we have, y3 you have to write here. Here we have y1, you have to write y2. Here y1, write y0, you have to write y1 is equal to 0. This is the equation 2. Now this two equation we have to add these two equation. First you have to write that equation 1 and equation 2, you have to add these two equation. This is the 1 and this is 2. Just we have to add. How you have to add this one? Just we'll check now. Addition, we can check. Here we have y6, here we don't have y6. Then what you have to do? y6 you have to write here as it is. And here you can check. Here y5 you have, here minus 5y5, then minus 5y5 plus y5, that will get here minus 4y5. Then you have to check after y5, you have to check that y4. Here in equation 1 you have minus 5y4, and equation 2 we have here 10y4, then plus 10y4 and 5y5. When we'll minus this, we'll get here how much? Plus 6y4. Then we'll come for y3. y3 you can see here plus 10y3 we have, here minus 10y3. Plus minus cancel, this one cancel. Then we have to come for next one, y2. In equation 1 you have 10y2, and here we have 5y2. From here plus minus symbol we have to write 10. From 10 to 5 it will be like 5y2. Then we'll go for the next one. You have to write here plus 4y1, then minus y0. You have to write here y0 is equal to 0. After addition we got this equation. In this equation just one mistake was there. Here 5 minus 10 will get here how much? 5. Okay, then you got here equation. After addition we got this equation. Now just we have to put this values, whatever values we have for this one. For y6 we have how much? 43. We have to write here 43 minus 4. y5 we don't have any value, just you have to write y5 as it is. Then plus 5. y4 we have here 35. Then minus 5 y2 values we have here how much? 26. Then plus 4 y1 values we have here how much? 22 we have, right? Then write this one 22. Next minus y0 values we have here 20. Write this 20, then is equal to 0. Whatever values we have here, just we have to put this one. Now we have to multiply the numbers. How you have to multiply? You know that these two, these two, these two we have to multiply. Now after multiplication we got like this. This one 43 minus 4y5 plus these two multiplied, I got here 175, minus these two I multiplied, I got here 130, plus these two 88 minus 20 is equal to 0. Now whatever that plus values we have, just we have to add that. Now this one 43 plus 175 plus 88, just we have to add that number. Here we have to write how much we'll get here. This one will get here 306, and after that this one as it is you have to write minus 4y5. Then minus values what we have? 130 and 20 will get here how much? Will get here, we'll check now, 1 minute. Now we can see here like 306 minus 4y5. Then we have to add this one like 130 and 120. You have to write here 150, but this value here, this one it will be minus. Okay, Now what we have to do here, now you have to write this one. 306 minus 150 will get here how much here, like 156. You have to write here minus 4y5 minus this one how much, not minus, this one plus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to write here minus 4y5 is equal to minus 156. This value we have to take that right side. Here minus minus we have to cancel. We have to write here y5 is equal to 156 divided by 4 will get here 39. We got here y5 value 39. Okay, that y5 value, like we got 39, we have to put that value in equation 1. We can check that equation 1 like this one: y5 minus 5y4 plus 10y3 minus 10y2 plus 5y1 minus y0. This is the equation 1, and in this just we have to put that y5 values. Y5 value, just first one 39 minus 5y4, then 5y4. In the place of y4 we have to write this value how much, like 35. Okay, then plus 10 y3 value we don't have, we have to, as it is you have to keep, minus 10 into y2 values we have here 26 plus 5 y1 values we have 22 minus y0 20 is equal to 0. Next what you have to do, just you have to check that plus values 39. Sorry, you have to first multiply. After multiply we have to get here this one 39 minus 175 plus 10y3 minus 260 plus this one will get 110 minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, now whatever plus values we have 39, and this one how much after 39, this one plus 110, just we have to add these two number, we'll get here how much, 149. Then we have to add this minus values number 175, 260 and 20. After adding this one we'll get here minus 455, and this one 10y3 we have to write as it is, plus 10y3 is equal to 0. Then what we have to do, just this one subtract this one, we'll get here how much, we'll get here this 10y3 you have to write here as it is. This one after subtraction we'll get here 306 is equal to 0. y3 is equal to 3 how much, 306 divided by 10 will get here 30.6. Now y3, this one already y5 we got 39 and y3 we got here how much, 30.6, and just two missing value number was there, y3 also we got here and y5 we also got here. If you like my video, please do subscribe, comment, like, share. Thank you so much.